Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to use built-in VPN in your Windows 11. So first of all, open your settings. And here, just need to click on Network and Internet. And here, as you can see on your screen, just need to click on the VPN right over here, the second option. And from here at the top, you'll find VPN connections. So we just need to click on Add VPN button right there to add another VPN connection. So from here, you just need to click on VPN provider and select Windows built-in. Now here, you just need to enter a connection name. So for example, I have my VPN 1, so this is VPN 2. And then server name or address. So basically, you just need to type your server name or IP address. So for example, I would just need to type vpn.vpn.com. And here on VPN type, as you can see, you can use this SSTP, or in most cases is PPTP, or point-to-point tunneling protocol. Then type of sign-in info, basically username and password, and enter your username and password right here. Now, once you've done entering your information, just click on this save button. So once you click on that save button, you can now start to connect that. We just click on this connect button right here. And also you have two options to configure. And if you click on the drop down menu and go to advanced options, basically you can add it to several options, the proxy settings for the VPN connections. So yeah, that's how you basically use built-in VPN in your Windows 11. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.